Welcome viewers to our 57th episode. All over India festival days have been started with Durga Puja, conveying each of you my wholehearted greetings for the festivals. Enjoy the days as you want with full safety for yourself and the surroundings as well. Today's episode is a requested one, as many of you were asking for more Kantha sarees, Kantha stitched sarees, especially on tussar. Though I am starting with few silks, but it is mostly on tussar. Starting with Bangalore silk, royal blue. It is the blouse piece. On royal blue, shades of brown has been used. The saree is with a border and lots of buttas. And this is the pallu. Thickly worked, very finely worked. Price is 9950. In the previous Kantha episode, I had shown you this type. This is the another color of same type. This is the blouse piece. It is Rama green type. Very beautiful color. And the combinations are marvelous, very bright and soothing also. Price is same, I think. No, 10,550. Previously was the same price, 10,550. Another royal blue saree. Mainly green and blue has been combined here. In the last episode also I had shown this kind of one saree. There pink was used. Here the shades of blue and shades of green. $10,550. Yes. It is reverse Kantha on black with multicolor. This is the blouse piece. And the work has been increased gradually. All colors are there. Very colorful on black, that is why it is looking more gorgeous. It is 9950. It is a last piece in silk. This is a blouse piece. The whole sari is striped with kantha stitch. And the pallu is thickly embroidered, fully. Yeah, this is the pallu. Tussar, I am starting tussar. The first one is on Richa tussar. This is the blouse piece. The full blouse has the stripe like texture, not only on weaving, on the kantha stitch also has been done thoroughly. Very decent sari. It is Bhagalpuri tussar. This one. And this is the pallu. All fully worked. These all are full of stripes with handwork. $7550. Last time also I had shown this kind of one Bishnupur silk. This is the blouse piece. It is on grey and black. Beautiful one. This is a pallu. $9950. This is the blouse piece. It is broad border. Very colorful one. This is a pallu. $8950. This is the blouse piece, beautiful one. Just show the, yeah. And the sari is, it is with block print and the border is with kantha stitch. Here it is, mix and match with block print and kantha stitch. Yeah. Like this. And this is the pallu. Very heavy looked, heavy pallu, and blouse is also fully worked, the back and the sleeves. 9550. This one also has the similar kind of blouse. And these all are Gachi tussar. This is the border. Both sides it has border. Very nice one. This is the pallu. $10,550. Blouse piece, nicely done, fully done. This is the pallu. Black, red, off-white, very beautiful combination. 10550. This is the blouse piece. It is half and half. Inner half has broad border, and after that it is fully worked. Combination is very nice on golden yellow, off-white, orange, black. $10,550. This is the blouse piece. Long back, this design I had shown you one on copper, I think it was copper color. This time it is original tussar color on tussar. It is very nice design, it is all over. $10,950. The combination of this saree is very nice, very beautiful, different one. This is the blouse piece. The saree base color is golden yellow and the thread color is it is grey, but grey has, it is little different kind of grey, mauvish grey it is. This is a pallu. Beautiful combination. $10,950. This is the blouse piece. The work for the sleeves fully worked, and after that gradually the work portion has been increased. On tussar, white thread, only one colored thread, and that is also white. The sari is stunning, and just to make it little brighter, we have put this border, red border, and the edgings also have done with the red. I think it is very nice. 11,950. This is the blouse piece, steel grey. This is the pallu. $10,550. This is the blouse piece, red. It is half and half. This is the pallu. Very gorgeous it is. $10,550. One multicolored, this kind, one sari I had shown last time, and I had only one sari, but so many requests were there. That was different design, but this kind of multicolored. This is the blouse piece. Very bright one. Those who like colors, it is for them. This is the color. $10,550. Another piece with tussar and white thread. This is the blouse piece, and here also I have put that red border and edging just to highlight the sari. This is the pallu. $11,550. This is the blouse. All are very good quality tussar, gachi tussar. otherwise so much work cannot be done. Very traditional motifs of Tasar, the Worli. Yeah. It is 11,950. Blouse piece, as the sari is very heavy, so the blouse has kept little lighter. Multicolored birds, like this. This is a pallu. And the last sari is on Zari Tasar. This is the blouse piece. So colorful. I like this sari so much. At the last moment I have got it. That is why I have put it in the last, because all the numberings and everything had been done before. But I wanted to show you, that is why I have put it in the last. Just see the sari. I think I have not done any mistake. This is the pallu. Okay dear, I have kept your request. Now it's your turn to reciprocate. আমি কলকাতা তথা সারা ভারতবর্ষ এবং অন্যান্য দেশের বাঙালিদের জানাই শুভ বিজয় আর শুভেচ্ছা, ভালোবাসা। খুব ভালো থাকুন, ভালো রাখুন এবং সমারোহকে অবশ্যই সঙ্গে রাখুন। নমস্কার।